Hey, what's going on guys? Assad here, and in this tutorial I'm gonna talking about the sub array in the typed array. So this is the method, it returns a new typed array on the same array buffer. So store with the same element as for the typed array object, and the begin offset will be inclusive and offset will be exclusive. So those I'm talking about, it would be a one kind of array. So what we need to do is create a const uint8 equals new uint8 array, and pass the array 10 comma 20 comma 30 comma 40 comma 50. And then now what we're gonna do is log it on a console uint8 dot sub array, and pass the first, like this place 20, and up to where we need to pass as a second argument. If you pass nothing, I'm gonna give you all of that. So let me show you one example. See, 20 30 40, and if I pass 3, it's gonna give up to the 3, so 20 and 30. So this is what it does. Hope you guys understand. That's it for today's video guys. See you guys in the next tutorial.